Hello everyone and welcome to Easy Trick App channel. In this video we are going to be learning how you can remove background music in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right into it. Currently, as you can see, we have an audio onto my timeline, and when you play this is the test audio to remove music from my background. This is going to be a test audio to remove the music from my background. You will be able to hear that we have music in back of this audio. To do so, simply head over to Effects and from there type in Compressor. Now you're going to be applying a single band compressor on this audio, and once your compressor is added, you can search for denoise effect and you can apply that as well. Now if you hear your audio
to remove music from
you'll
my
be able to
background.
see that we have
This
suppressed
is going to be a
music
test
at a
audio
great
to
level.
remove the
So
music.
that's a pretty simple process on how to suppress your audio or remove it. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.